Do you ever wonder that how they make a simple executable installer that is really easy to use? I mean, we just have to hit next and our application will be installed within seconds. Hello guys, welcome to FineStack. Today in this video I am going to show you how to make an EXE installer. So let's get started. First of all, you need an application that will be installed by the installer. Here I have an application on my desktop. I will make installer of it. Now you have to open a browser and search for Inno setup. Open the first link that comes in the search. After opening the link, you have to click on download Inno setup. Use any mirror to download it. After downloading the setup, you have to install it. Now open Inno setup compiler. As soon as you open it, a wizard will come into the screen. There you have to select create a new script file using the script wizard and click OK. In this step, you have to give your application name and version. In this step, you have to select your main executable file. After that, you have to select additional files. As my application don't have any additional files, I will skip it. Now in this step, you have to provide license file. Now select the folder where the installer will be created. Now select Finish. A new pop-up will be opened. Select Yes. Now our executable installer is ready. Before you close this video and go to another video, please like this video, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. That will help you to get my new videos faster. Thanks for watching this video till the end. I will see you in the next video.